Hello, my name's Stewart. I'm Chief Economist at Deloitte, and I'm going to talk about the latest survey of Chief Financial Officers. Now, this is a very big survey. It focuses on the attitudes and opinions of the big allocators of capital in the UK corporate sector. The message from the survey is very positive. Optimism amongst CFOs has risen to the highest level in 3.5 years. And what we're seeing for 2014 is a really distinct shift towards expansion. Two of the big barriers to growth in recent years have been credit shortages and uncertainty, and both of these factors have improved appreciably in the latest survey. Capital shortages, at least for the kind of companies that we're surveying, the big companies, have eased very significantly. Corporates are telling us that they've got good access to equity finance, bond finance, and actually the ability of large corporates to finance themselves through the banking system is better now than it's been at any time in the last 6 years. At the same time, CFOs feel much more confident about the economic environment. They see fewer economic risks out there. They're much more confident that the economy will steer clear of recession. And they're much more confident than they were a year ago that the single currency will hold together. Putting this all together, what it's led to is a very significant rise in the willingness of UK corporates to take risk. A record 57% of UK CFOs say that now is a good time to take risk onto their balance sheet. I think what that means is that 2014 will be a year in which corporates increasingly are focused on hiring, on investment and expansion. A very distinct change from the strategies of recent years where corporates have been focused on rebuilding their balance sheets, on cutting debt and reducing costs. So a very upbeat survey from CFOs, and I think it bodes well for the kind of broad-based recovery in which the corporate sector plays a big role panning out in 2014.